Hi, how much is a Facebook like worth to your business? $10? $2? $50? Well, if you are not converting those likes into sales, then the answer is zero. If that's your situation, then FB Edge can help. Heck, FB Edge can help even if you are making some sales from your Facebook likes. Chances are, FB Edge can make your Facebook likes worth a whole lot more than they do right now. How? By turning the Facebook likes you have right now into sales and even more likes. How does it do this? By allowing you to create your own viral coupons and special deals right on your Facebook page. These coupons and special deals converts your Facebook likes into sales right there on your Facebook page. But how do they go viral and bring you more likes and more sales? Like this. In order to claim the coupon or buy the special deal you are offering, your fans have to share it with their friends. And these friends, in turn, have to share the offer with their own friends before they can claim that coupon or buy the special deal. So you see, with FB Edge, your current Facebook likes can lead to sales and more Facebook likes, which in turn leads to more sales and even more Facebook likes. The more you use FB Edge, the more the cycle continues. So, how much more profits your Facebook likes can mean to you? That's what FB Edge does for you. Viral Facebook marketing. Try it free today.